Welcome to Kids Cooking Fun! Hi friends! Today, we're making yummy fruit salad! First, let's get our magic bowl ready. Look at all these yummy fruits! Let's start with a shiny red apple. Slice, slice, slice! Nice and safe! Next, let's peel a banana. Slip, plop, yum! Here come the grapes! Roll, roll, roll! And don't forget juicy strawberries! Mix it all together. Stir, stir, stir. Add a sprinkle of magic. Ta-da! Wow! Doesn't it look delicious? Now let's serve it up! So yummy and healthy too! Thanks for cooking with us today! See you next time for more cooking fun!